Data and information. Data is any collection of numbers, characters, or other symbols that has been coded into a format that can be input into a computer and processed. Data on its own has no meaning. In other words, data can be defined as a representation of facts, concepts, or instructions collected for analysis. It is only after processing by a computer that data becomes information. Characteristics of a computer. Speed. Computer can process millions of instructions in seconds. The speed of computer is calculated in terms of MIPS, millions of instructions per second. Accuracy. A computer provides a high degree of accuracy. Every calculation is performed with the same accuracy. Diligence. Computer can work for hours without any break or boredom. It does not get tired. Storage capacity. Computer can store very large amounts of data. You have many storage devices like CD, DVD, flash drive, etc. to store your data. Versatility. Computers can be used to perform different types of tasks. At one point of time, you can type a document. The next moment, you can listen to a song or watch a video. Compactness. With regular advancements in technology, the computer size is decreasing. Reliability. Computer does not make mistakes. If the input is correct, then the computer always gives the relevant answer to the input. Power of remembering. The data stored in the computer can be recalled at any time. Limitations of a computer. Computer is a versatile machine and performs multiple functions, but it has the following limitations. Lack of decision-making ability. The computer does not have a brain like human beings. It cannot take a decision on its own. It can only perform the tasks that are instructed by the human being. Lack of intelligence. A computer is not gifted with intelligence as human beings are. It can only work as per the instructions given by human beings. Lack of feelings and emotions. Computers are different from human beings. It does not possess feelings and emotions like human beings. It cannot do anything on its own. Time taken in planning and programming. We have to first choose the jobs to be computerized, and then proper planning and development of programs can take days, months, and sometimes even years. Working of a computer. A commonly used computer needs the following hardware to work: input devices, output devices, storage devices, CPU, processing device. Along with the hardware, the computer requires software to work. A set of instructions written in any computer language is known as a program. Programs are stored in the computer's memory. IPO cycle. A computer takes the data as input, processes, and then gives result as an output. Input 3, 6 plus. Data. Process 3 plus 6. Output 9. Information. Input devices. A computer accepts data and instructions from you through input devices. Data can be in the form of numbers, text, sound, or graphics. Some of the input devices are keyboard. A keyboard is the main input device for computers. You can press the keys on it to input data in the form of words and numbers. A standard keyboard has 104 keys, which can be classified as follows. Alphanumeric keys: capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. Control keys: Control, Alt, Escape, etc. Function keys: F1 to F12. Special keys: caps lock, backspace, space bar, arrow keys, home, end, etc. Punctuation keys: open inverted commas, close inverted commas, open inverted commas, hyphen, close inverted commas, semicolon, etc. Mouse: it is a pointing device that allows you to put data into a computer by using the point, click, and drag and drop actions. It controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. It is used to move and select icons, files, and folders on your computer. It can also be used to draw pictures. Scanner: Scanner is a device that helps to input printed pictures and text into the computer by converting them into digital form. Some popular types of scanners are handheld scanner. It is a type of scanner that is held in hand and rolled over a flat image or document. It is used to scan documents into their digital forms. Flatbed scanner: it is a type of scanner that uses a flat glass surface for scanning documents. It looks like a photostat machine. Sheet-fed scanner: it is a type of scanner that allows multiple papers to be scanned at a time. In the scanner, the stack of papers is kept on top and the scanner automatically scans the pages one by one. Webcam: it is a digital video camera connected to a computer. It helps to put your image into the computer when you are connected to the internet. Graphic tablet: it allows to directly draw on a computer screen. The device consists of a flat surface upon which you can draw with an attached stylus, which looks like a pen. Joystick: joystick is a pointing device which is used to control the movement of a pointer on your computer screen. It is most used device to play games on the computer. Microphone: it is an input device that is used to record voice, music, and sound into the computer system. Touch screen: a touch screen is a screen sensitive to touch. We can interact with the computer by touching areas on the screen. Tablets, smartphones, ATMs have touch screen in them. Processing device: processing is done on the data entered into the computer to convert it into meaningful information through a processor with the help of a CPU. CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is a processor, sometimes called a microprocessor. It is the brain of the computer that does all the calculations and run all the programs. It manages all the operations and carries out the basic instructions which operate a computer. The three main components of CPU are: ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, performs mathematical and logical operations. CU, Control Unit, directs all the operations of a processor. Memory Unit, stores data and instructions. Output devices. The output devices are used to display the information and result of computation to the user. Some of the output devices are: monitor. The monitor is one of the most familiar output device. It is called the Visual Display Unit, VDU. The images that you see on the monitor are made up of tiny dots called pixels. The clarity of the images depends on the number of dots/pixels on the screen per inch. Printer. A printer is an output device that allows to print the work done on the computer on a sheet of paper. Printers are categorized as impact or non-impact depending on their working. Impact printers create an image on a paper by striking the paper with a metal. Non-impact printers create an image on a paper by spraying ink on the paper. Some of the common printers are 1. Dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printers works like a typewriter. The printer head strikes the paper and ink ribbon to print a character. It is called an impact printer. 2. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are non-impact printers. Printing is done line by line by spraying ink on a sheet of paper. These printers are much faster than dot matrix printers. 3. Laser printer. Laser printers are also non-impact printers. These printers use a laser beam to print on the paper. These printers are much faster than inkjet printers and the print quality is superior. 4. Plotters. Plotters are used to print good quality drawings. They are mainly used in desktop publishing offices and by architects to print building construction plans. They are just like printers but are much bigger in size. There are mainly two types of plotters, drum plotter and flatbed plotter. Speakers. Speakers are an output device that produce music, speech or other sounds from the computer. These are also used for listening music and watching movies on a computer.